Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create broadcast channel on Instagram. So first of all, open the Instagram application and open this chat option in the upper right corner. And then you will see dashboard like this. You have to click on this pencil icon in the upper right corner, and if there is broadcast channel option is not showing, then click on this back, tap on your profile icon, and if you click on this plus icon, your channel broadcast option will show here. In my case, it's not showing because Instagram has not allowed me to create a broadcast channel, because Instagram has allowed just few people to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So if you want to create a broadcast channel, firstly you need to fill a form for creating broadcast channel. Simply open your profile, click on these three bars and go for settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on this help, and from here click on report a problem. Now click on this include and continue. And now here you can briefly explain that your broadcast channel option is not showing here, and Instagram team will contact you for this matter on your given email. Then simply click on send and your problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.